So, hello everybody, Cinta. One thing I want to talk about, and it's the issue of labeling genres of music. As you saw in the video, just because you can dance bachata to it does not mean that it's a bachata song. All right. What makes it bachata-able is the 4x4 time signature. All right. Look that up. Google it. Speak to a music teacher. But any music written in 4/4 time signature, you can dance bachata, or any other dance that is 4/4 time signature, you can dance it to that genre of music. In order for something to be bachata music, you gotta have these instruments, at least the majority of these instruments. The guira, the bongo, the lead guitar, the bass guitar, the second guitar. Again, you need at least most of them. But not only that, these instruments have to play bachata rhythms. All right, there's rhythms that each one of these instruments will play. So a good friend of mine, Luis, mentioned that there is a genre of music called guaracha, and they will have the bongo, and the bongo will play the martillo rhythm. There's also some son songs, S-O-N, son songs that will have the bongo, and they will play the martillo rhythm. The bongo will play the martillo rhythm. But you don't hear those being called bachata remixes. No. So just because you can dance bachata to it does not mean that it's a bachata song. Okay, so now some people will say, well, this is the evolution of bachata. And some people will say that the music is changing. And I will say that's incorrect. The music isn't changing. DJ producers are changing the music, which is two complete different things. This song, for example, is not a bachata song, or not a bachata remix. You can dance bachata to it, but that's because of the 4/4 time signature, not because there was a imitation bongo in the song. So listen. All right, we know the song. It has the bongo. No other elements of bachata. Just the bongo. 45 seconds. 1 minute and a half. 2 minutes. No bongo, no bass guitar, no second guitar, no lead guitar. And again, not only that, but those instruments, not only are they not present, they're not playing the bachata rhythms. So no, that is not a bachata song. You can dance bachata to it, not a bachata song. And that applies to any bachata remix labeled as bachata remix, where there is only the bongo present, but no other bachata instruments and no other bachata rhythms present in that song. They are not bachata songs. You can dance bachata to them, no problem, great, but it is not a bachata song. So again, it's just, we need to be more careful of the labeling and the information that we're giving people, or dance students, that wouldn't know any better, that are there to try to learn. You can dance bachata to that, but please do not call that a bachata remix, because there's nothing bachata about that. Or if you want to do that, then call it a guaracha remix and call it a son remix also. So by definition, the definition of evolution, the gradual development of something, especially from simple to a more complex form, not from a complex form to more simple. So again, you have those core instruments, or the majority of those core bachata instruments, to more complex, which means you add on top of that. You don't have those core instruments for bachata and then subtract four of them. That's not evolution, and that is not the evolution of bachata. That is something completely different.